Tulip Olson. I'm David Zaslett, President and CEO of Warner Bros. Discovery. I've decided to cancel your movie for good, because it's too scary and horrifying based on your show. Now before I let you go, let's hear what Cartoon Network friends of yours say about this.
Guilty.
Guilty?
You are so freaking guilty.
Guilty.
Now Tulip, as the CEO and President of Warner Bros. Discovery, your show and your own movie has been officially removed from Cartoon Network streaming and Max streaming for good. Have a nice life.
Obey me, Simon Wrong. I am your master. Tulip Olson is your enemy. Don't let her complete the mission on Big One, and don't let her escape. Obey Simon Wrong. Destroy Tulip Olson. Ha 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 ha.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just a dream. Sorry.
It's alright. Just go back to sleep.